low vegetables and high trans fats, health promoting and disease fighting. Lots of things are available in the market. Sleep, lack of or poor quality sleep can lead to a strained immune system. Your immune system may be disturbed. Identify and alter environmental habit. Please give me the call then if the time is over. Habit that hinder health sleep. Exercise, regular and consistent physical activity is an essential piece of optimal health equation. Substance abuse, we know. Stress management, identify both positive and negative stress responses, coping mechanism, and reduction technique for improving the well-being. Social connections, being connected to others is essential to emotional resiliency and overall health. Nutritional, I will not go into the details. These lot of things are available. You can go to the American health treatment, health cost. So please help us and help us by being healthy and having the lifestyle practices. So we know about this thing. Our medicine, allopathic branch, we treat symptoms. Pharmacology, I think people are from pharmacology department also. It has been organized by pharmacology department. No, but I don't criticize that your pharmacology is not good. But we are doing only these things. We see what happened. You have got headache, pharmacology, cetamol, and procedural. If something is wrong, you do a procedure and fix it. Okay. Functional medicine, it is the nutritional supplements and all those things. Integrative medicine, blended complement. I'm not talking it as randomly. I'm talking about these lifestyle practices based on the research. Just like you prescribe a medicine. You say that if you have a heart attack, you have to take the aspirin and you have to take the statins, because they reduce 33% of your death or immediate death or the near death sort of things. Similarly, these lifestyle practices have the research, and based on the we can diagnose immediately, remotely. No, we can diagnose heart attack. We can remotely diagnose if a person is in a rural area, and doctor is sitting here in this room can diagnose the stroke and can advise to take the LTPAs and all sort of thing, or you can refer the patient to the nearest center within where they can reach in 2-3 hours and can get the if it is a stroke, they can go for the fibrinolytic therapy, or if they are a little late, they can go for the thrombectomy. In heart attack, they can have so many options. We are hearing all these things throughout the world, but still we are not healthy. Still we are dying. The mortality is increasing day by day, week by week, year by year. So what's the use of this? And there are criteria to define what is healthy lifestyle, how it is defined. It is defined based on the moderate or vigorous exercise for at least 150 minutes a week, a diet score in the top 40% of the healthy eating index, and the body fat percentage under 20% for male and 30% for the females, and non-smoking situations. So in this whole also you can predict out and you can find out how many of you are healthy. I hope here is the young population is there, so most of them may be healthy. And but still, if you want to put you onto the criteria, you can see whether you do the 150 minutes exercise every day or not. If you all do, you fulfill one criteria. If you don't do, gone down. A diet scores, like you are taking the diet as per the diet index, healthy eating index.